Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Bankroll D, and in this video I'm finna be showing y'all step by step how you could record a song off your phone and actually make it sound professional. And I'm talking about in a simple way, cause I be watching these videos, bro. I be watching these tutorials and it's like they just try to overcomplicate things, bro. It could be broken down so simply, but they just make it so complicated, bro. So, bro, listen, in this video I'm finna do it literally, like, I'm finna do it in such a simple form, bro, that everybody gonna be able to make professional sounds off of their phone. Gonna be able to record a professional song off of their phone, bro. Let's get right into it, bro. Let's get it. Now listen, you're only gonna need two things to actually get this started, you feel me? First off, a cellular device, right? And then some headphones. Now listen, you could use earbuds, bro. You do not need these. You don't need these, bro. I just don't have no other headphones, so this is what I'm gonna be using as an example. But you literally could, this is for Android and Apple. You could literally use Apple headphones, and if you only have earbuds, as long as you have this adapter, which I'll put in the description down below where you can purchase it, as long as you have that, bro, you good, bro, you good. But this is off Android and iPhone, bro. All right, so that's what you're gonna need, bro. A cellular device, and that, yeah, cellular device and headphones. Now, there's a couple apps that you can actually use. You got GarageBand, you got FL Studio. FL Studio, it does cost money. And then you got BandLab, which is free. And we're gonna focus on BandLab today because BandLab is literally the simplest way. And even though it's free, you gonna still get a professional sound. It's gonna literally sound like it was recorded out of a studio. You feel me? We finna actually switch it to the iPhone screen real quick. Let's get it. Hey y'all, for this, I'm actually on iPhone. But like I said, you could do this on Android as well. So after you download the app, if you haven't downloaded it yet, you can go ahead and you can open it up, man. So after you do that, you want to click on this plus. After you do that, you want to go to import file. Now I download everything to my files, but let's say if you want to download the video, you got the B screen recorder, you can go to video library and you can actually open that up, you feel me? Let's say that you downloaded it like you downloaded the beat right off of, you purchased it off a website, or you just went to mp3.juices and downloaded it, which you can do. I'll put it in the description down below. But I do recommend you actually leasing or purchasing the beat or getting permission from the actual producer to actually use the beat. So let's say you downloaded your beat, you want to go to browse files. Now the beat that I'm gonna be using, I didn't purchase it, so I'm not gonna actually make a song to it, you feel me? I'm just using this as an example, right? So what we gonna do is we're gonna click our beat that we want to use, and this gonna open this project up, you feel me? Boom, boom, boom. Let's get it. Hold up. Alright, I'm finna hold up so it don't echo. Alright, man, so we in here, bro. Alright, man, so as y'all see, we got the project right here. So you got the beat. I'm gonna let y'all hear it real quick. Yeah, y'all know, I'm pretty sure y'all heard this beat before, you feel me? Like I said, I'm just doing this for as an example, right? So you want to click on that plus, you want to go to voice audio, you want to add that. Now if y'all want me to drop my presets, just let me know, bro. Just let me know, man, and I got y'all. We're not gonna click on one just for the purpose of this, man. And then all you do is press this red button and you recording. After you press that red button, you're recording, man. And then you got the auto tune, bro. Like, yeah, they make it real simple for y'all, bro. They make it real simple for us. So now when you actually recording, I'm gonna show y'all something that a lot of people don't know about for some reason. Now you come to settings, you go down to input device, and you actually switch it to the iPhone. The iPhone microphone is actually better than the headset microphone. Now I'm screen recording right now, so it won't let me switch it to it, but you switch it to the iPhone, and I'm finna switch back to this regular camera real quick to show y'all how you could use this to the best of your ability, bro. The best way that you could set it up so that it's actually a professional sound, bro. Alright, so we got the iPhone right here, you feel me? Now what you want to do is, bro, you want to treat this as a mic, bro. You want to treat this as a mic. So what you want to do is you want to measure it, right? You're going to measure it like this, you feel me? Sometimes it might need to be closer. And also what I recommend doing is, bro, get a shirt. If you have a pop filter, bro, get that, and they're pretty cheap. But what you want to do is, bro, you want to set this on something, bro. I'm recording, so I don't really have nothing to set this on. But say, get some boxes, get a case of water bottles, bro. Do what you got to do for it to be leveled at your mouth. You feel me? If you got to hold it, and you got to put something in between, bro, do what you got to do, bro. Listen, bro, if you got to work it with what you have. If you want it bad enough, you going to work with the things that you have. You feel me? You want to do it in a place where it's not too echoey, right? I used to record in the car with no AC. You don't got to do that, and I don't recommend that. That's probably not too healthy for your body. I record in this room now, so, bro, you could literally put, it was a point in time, bro, where I was in like a phase where I was like really recording a lot. I literally built, you know the little clubhouses that you used to build? I literally built one of them as a booth. But you could use like covers and stuff, like all types of stuff. As long as it's not like super echoey, bro, you good. So yeah, that's the best way to do it. You treat it as a mic. Okay, so let's switch. We switching back, right? So now listen, I actually have a mic, and you can actually plug your mic up to your phone. If y'all want a video over that, let me know. But listen, bro, if you need more tracks, so like say people want to punch in, all right, like people want to punch in like right here, and then you got to say something else. You can just add it like that, bro. Literally. People want to punch in like right here, and then you, yeah, you feel me?
Hey, yo, Ran.
Like, bro, that's hard, bro. That's hard. Punch in. All right, like people want to punch in like right here, and then you, yeah, you feel me?
Hey, yo, Ran.
Like,
turn that up.
Nah, this beat hard.
Turn that up.
Yeah, bro, it's literally like that, bro. If y'all, like I said, if y'all want the presets, let me know. You can literally do your auto tune right here, bro. However you need it, bro. They make it so easy, bro. They literally identifies the right auto tune automatically, bro. They make it so easy, bro. All right, like it's just really up to you, bro. If you really want to grind, bro. Yeah, man. But yeah, man, that is how you can make a professional sounding song. Now, I would send my presets if that's what y'all want. I didn't want to get into detail because that's gonna take more time. But if somebody want that, bro, comment it down below, and as soon as I see it, bro, I'm on it same day. You feel me? Same day. Just let me know. I ain't know if y'all want it in this video because that's gonna take more time. But yeah, bro, I do hope that this helps y'all out, man. Remember though, man, listen, bro, you might not have a bunch of stuff right now, bro, but you gotta work with what you have. You gotta make the stuff that you have now work. You feel me? Like, I'm happy to have a studio set up now, bro, but at first I had some headphones and a phone, and I was recording in the car in the summer with no AC. I didn't even have the car on because I'll be in there for a long time, bro. And so, work with what you will have, bro. Work with what you have and be grateful for it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let y'all go, man. Set me up real quick, you feel me? Make sure y'all go make some bangers, bro. Like, y'all gotta tee up with it, bro. Like, really be on y'all grind when it comes to this. I'm rooting for you, man. I'm rooting for you. But you gotta grind. You gotta grind. But peace out, bro. I'm gonna let y'all go, man. Let y'all go, man.